Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a new recruitment from InfoStretch Corporation company. For the position is Associate Software Engineer. Job location is Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and job description is Qmetry is looking for an enthusiastic associate software engineer or fresher who have some prior knowledge of Java and related technologies and worked on any Java project in the academic curriculum. Okay, so and experience required 0 to 2 years. Freshers can apply for this position. They require who are good in Java programming language. Then those candidates can apply. Fresher candidates required, so please apply. Skill set B, BTech, MCA candidates can apply. Should have knowledge of OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming concepts, core Java and SQL, hands-on experience in Java and Spring, well organized and detail oriented with excellent analytical and problem solving skills. Then good communication skill, must be self motivated and capable of working independently. You should be flexible, self starter, fast learner, willing and able to quickly learn new technologies and skills. Okay, then what will be your roles and responsibilities once you join InfoStretch company? You must be proactive in working end to end, including understanding requirements, analyzing, providing solutions, coding, unit testing. All these things a software engineer do. Okay, that will be your roles and responsibilities: coding, design, implementation, then develop, deploy, testing, unit testing, build and deploy and support. Work closely with the team lead and deliver items in an agile environment. Ensure static analysis, unit testing, write test cases also. Then code reviews that are diligently followed. Collaborate with QA support, that is testing team, QA support team, and solve their problems. Follow test driven development, agile practices diligently. Then continuously learn new technologies and use it product appropriately. Good to have knowledge in Spring Framework, JPA, database design and design patterns. Database, they need MySQL, then Spring Framework, then Java, microservices. All these things they are requirement and they are requiring from your end as a technical skill. Knowledge, uh, knowledge of Jira software. If you don't have knowledge on Jira software, then search videos on YouTube about the Jira software and try to gain some knowledge, as this is for fresher candidates and most of the fresher candidates don't know about the Jira software. I can understand about that, but yeah, I recommend you to how to use Jira software or what is Jira software, what is the purpose of using this software. Search on YouTube, you will get multiple videos and try to gain knowledge on that. Once you once you go for the interview for this InfoStretch company, then you can say that, oh yes, I have knowledge about the Jira software, and you can explain, and that will be a plus point. Then Bitbucket for source code management, then CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Docker. Search Docker Jenkins in the Google, you will get multiple information. Then you will get more information. REST API documentation like Swagger, so search about this in the Google. Okay, so yeah, so they have nothing mentioned like any batch. You should be a fresher, you should have Java technology you should be good in Java programming language. That's it. Okay, BTech candidates, MCA candidates can apply. No batch mentioned here, pass out batch. So if you are a fresher, then please apply for this position. Don't miss this chance. You will get the link in the description box below. Please click on that link and apply for this position. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.